Hello friends, for the last 1 year you are watching my videos, then you must be knowing all about me and my book, The Untold Secrets to Crack All Architecture and Planning Exams. Why I wrote this book? Actually, in my time when I was preparing for the pre-architect and all the other exams, no guidance was available in the market. Coachings were also not in place in architecture and planning industry. So just to give the awareness about the architecture and planning exams, I wrote this book, and and to help young architects and architecture students who are preparing for gate exams and other government exams in the architecture and planning industry. I wrote this book to give them a wider perspective about the field, about the exam. And in this book, I tried to incorporate all the important points, like starting from the overview of the field, then the content, what are all material available in the market or in the architecture and planning field which we need to focus on. I have prepared this book as a strategic planning for a game. Like any other game, you are in a competition, then also you have to strategize the things as a game. So I've started this book with the chapters are like the playground. In this chapter, I have covered the wider perspective of the architecture and planning industry, where the vacancies are, where and what are all the avenues in architecture and planning field. And next is ground assessment, the number game, how many candidates apply for a post, how many vacancies are available, everything. The third chapter is about resources and development, where I have tried to jot down all the available books in the market or in the field to prepare, and I have also described each and every topic which need to focus on. And the planning, it is also important to skip the unwanted content in the book. So I have listed all the topic and what are all important content in the books. Next, I have tried to frame the rule of the game because I think for any game you need to know the rules, all the repercussions of the game. In the chapter 5, Words of Wisdom, there are 5 6 interviews of the candidates who have already qualified various exams like deputy architects, DDA exam, ISRO exam, GATE exam, and NATA exam. So, what were they planning for the exam? How they fare through the exam? In the sixth chapter, advice from referees, I have covered most important part of this book, which is about interviews of three most prominent personalities. Most of us knowing them. One is Dr. V.K. Paul. He is currently director in SPA New Delhi. He was HOD in BEM department of SPA that time. He has been interviewer in various exams. Another one is retired SDG from CPWD only. And third one is Ram Subramaniam Shankar sir. He is ex HOD from IIT Roorkee. So all these interviews will give you the edge over other candidates because you will get to know the insights of any exam. They have been masterminds behind various exams and interviews. And after that, I have listed down in the next chapter the practice match. Practice match is like any other, is like practicing before the final exam. So in this, I have covered various strategies, how to practice, when to practice, how much to practice. It will give you a mind frame before the final exam. And next is chapter 8, the final day. talks about do's and don'ts, how to set your mindset before attending any exam. So it will be helpful to frame your mindset for any particular exam like GATE exam or any UPSC exam or any architecture and planning exam. Chapter 9 is about interviews and presentations. In this, I have covered the technicalities of interviews because in any government job which is of gazetted level, the interview is mandatory part of the selection system. After any exam, you have to attend the interview, and it plays a vital role in your selection. On the next chapter, that is chapter 10, conclusion, it talks about and what you'll get after this whole process. Any sports be after selection, what we get, the award ceremony. In this chapter, I have covered the perks, the salary part in government sector, and other important features. So the book is an end-to-end solution for your doubts and queries related to any architecture and planning exam. Hopefully, this book will help you a lot throughout your exam preparation. Who can purchase this book? Any architecture student, any aspirant who wish to join architecture planning as their career prospect. Young architects can purchase who are yet to attend the exams. Where can you find this book? The question is coming from various students who are following my channel, the Right Brain channel. This book is available on the publisher's website, the White Falcon Publishing, and also on Flipkart and Amazon. You can purchase from all the platforms, and I have also tried to help you. I have purchased many books from the publisher directly to help you and provide you these books. The links are in description box. You can purchase from any platform you found suitable. If you have any query, suggestion regarding my book or any general comment, you can always get in touch with me through our Telegram group channel, The Right Brain, and you can also comment below in the comment box. And my details are in the book, or the email ID is there, my contact details are there. You can anytime contact me for any help.